Welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you this VR that I'm doing for Jean, who is with Scrapsdiva Design. She is a fellow Canadian. She is on the West Coast. I'm on the East Coast. And right now, she shared a little while ago that she found out she has cancer. So she wanted to do a inspirational challenge to help her with this next step in her life. So she wanted some altered index cards that she can put into a journal, and then she can, go back and look at them when she needs some inspiration and some hope and all that. So I created these two for her. And if you guys haven't already subscribed to her, please head on over to her channel. I would really appreciate you to show her some love. That would be amazing. And so this is the first one that I created, and it just says beautiful, and I just layered it up onto some beautiful flower cardstock and just put some eyelash trim around. I used some gold foil paper in the back and pop that up, as well as the word beautiful with the heart. And then on the back I used the same type of paper and just put some inspirational words in that there. This is my favorite. I absolutely love this. I took this cardstock here from the Sugar Cookie collection, and I just distressed the outside of it, and I layered it up with different size of the gold straws. I just cut them in different shapes and put them underneath and zigzag them a little bit. And then I added the eyelash trim with this beautiful flower. It is vellum flower, and this was gifted to me, I believe, by Quetzal Creates. Don't quote me on that. I'm not quite sure, but I absolutely love these. So I have to figure these out and make some. They're just beautiful. So really added to it. And I put an inspirational quote on the back for her. So those were my two creations for her. You can also, if you didn't want to do index cards, altered index cards, you can do an 8x8 page that she can put into her journal. I'll put all her information below, so please head on over. Even if you can't enter into the challenge that ends the end of December, you could just subscribe and show her some love and support. That would be amazing. And I hope you guys are taking care and staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.